I'm Roma Uli. Today I'll be your guide in Bukit Lawang. Bukit Lawang is located in Bohorok, Langkat, North Sumatra. It's located 80 km west of Medan. Guys, we can enjoy in homestay. Wow, homestay is very beautiful. At night is also very interesting, right? Now hidden waterfall. The view so nice, yeah. The weather here is so clear and soothing, guys. Okay, let's do diving right. Ho ho ho, maybe this place little danger for you guys. If you scared, yeah, don't do it. Wow, very excited. Enjoy everyone. Oh, hi Jackie and her baby. Wow, so cute. Jackie hugged her baby. Look at guys. Jackie come here. Oh my god. Okay, don't run. Keep calm, yeah. It won't be danger if you don't do it. Keep calm. Oh, fish. Let's move to air terjun Warna, Sibolangit. This place in Terjun Sibolangit, Deli Serdang, North Sumatra. Okay, before we get there, we'll pass through the forest and uphill. So, be careful for your step, okay? And now, ta-da! So beautiful place, guys. Why are there two colors? Maybe that's why you are gonna ask. I'll be answer. It's because water containing phosphor and sulfur, so don't drink, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. It's so beautiful. Enjoy for your trip, guys. I'm Roma Uli. Goodbye and nice to meet you. Thank you.